Hi, I'm Linda from Escape to talk to you about personalizing your custom build Escape trailer. Let's talk about personalizing your countertop and tabletop in your custom build Escape trailer. We work with Formica products. It's a laminate. We've had great success with this product in our builds. We have 5 different standard choices for you to pick from. We have ice onyx, flax gauze, earth wash, mineral jet, and planked coffee oak. Now, keep in mind, you're not limited to these 5 choices. You also, if none of these are appealing to you, you would have the option to order custom Formica. And there are literally hundreds of different choices for you to pick from. Whether you like the vibrant colors or you prefer more muted tone, there is definitely something for everyone here. Now, you also get to pick your trim color choice as well. You would be able to select from white, black, cream, or dark brown. If you have further questions about ordering custom Formica, please do reach out to us here at Escape, and we'd be happy to give you more information on this. Thank you so much for joining me.